you want to learn spoken English and you don't know how to start, you are juggling, you are housewife, even you are doing job, you are mother, you don't have time that how to learn this language. So my dear friend, if you want to become comfort this language, so it is very easy. I am not saying fluent, I am saying comfort. You can convey your thought. It is a very easy. Only one need to write roadmap. I am also beginner. I don't have environment. I am belong to village. No one support me, but I am improving my spoken skill day by day. Even I am not disciplined only for my kid. Also I am improving. If you want to improve yourself, so here I am share with you only one tip. Then you can improve your spoken skill very easy. If you have time only on 20 minutes, it is enough for spoken skill. I'm not saying that you invest your more time because I know that you are mother and you are doing job. You don't have time. That's why you are juggling. Otherwise, it is easy for you can learn. So it is a storytelling. Yes, if you want to become fluent speaker, so you can narrate story. If you start narrating story, so you can build your confidence. You can learn vocabulary easily. Even you can understand emotion. When you speak someone, so you need to emotion. Without emotion, you can't convey your thought. You know about very well. Even Hindi, without emotion, something happens in emotion, like gesture. Like gesture, you can sometime you can say anything, but which person you are talk, he also understand what you want to say. So it is called emotion. So you can also learn emotion in English. Which type emotion you can express. You can build a structure without taking any burden. So it is a great method. If you want to become fluent speaker, so it is a great method. I am not saying that you can narrate only one story. You can narrate also your life routine, you can life story, your past incident, anything else, what you want. If you want to share anything, so you can share with your own language. I You don't blame me that only for storytelling I am improving more. When I started and able to speak even one sentence, but now I am not saying that I am fluent, but I am comfort. I am not write any script for making this video. What is it coming in my mind? I am speaking. So it's mean I am able to convey my thought. So that's why I am suggest you, if you want to become comfortable this language, so start storytelling. If you are totally beginner, like you understand only a little bit English, so first one try to listen English story. After listening 10 days, you can also start to narrating story, because if you are listen only on 10 days, so you have content in your mind, you don't like feel that you have content, but when you try to speak in your own language, that story start to describe that time, automatically word come in your mouth. But start speaking, because if you are not speaking, then you can't familiar structure and vocab. Without speaking, you can't learn anything. So when you try to narrating story, that time try to speak loud, because without speaking loud, you don't become perfect about pronunciation, about tone. So that's why I'm suggest you, if you have any room, you have any special place, then can you use that place for learning this language. You need only 120 minutes. If you want to listen something, then you can listen only on 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you can speak, you can narrate what you want. This is a method very like useful. If you are inculcate this method in your life, so without burden you can learn this language easily. So that's why I am suggest you. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.